Hello and welcome. In this video, let's take a look at the popular tool called Wireshark. So Wireshark is a popular and widely used open source network protocol analyzer, and it is a tool it is used of capturing, analyzing and inspecting data packets and a computer network in real time. So Wireshark is available for multiple platforms including Windows, Mac, OS and various Linux distributions. And the key features are like packet capture, protocol analysis, live packet inspection, and display options and filtering the packets. So open up your true terminal or just search Wireshark here. It's already pre-installed in my Kali Linux, and if you want to install it in your Windows and operating our Mac and operating system, it is the same. The tool has all the features in every platform. The buttons and all the features for this tool is same. So in the first we have WLAN 0, which is our wireless adapter. You will have WLAN 0 for Linux, and if you want to install this on your Windows operating system, head over to Wireshark. So this is a packet sniffer which is used to data analysis. Wireshark, the first website. Yeah, this is the website, the world most popular network protocol analyzer. So if you are connected to the target victim, you can just analyze all the data from his Wi-Fi to the devices like HTTP and HTTPS websites can be, the passwords can be seen in Wireshark if there is an HTTP, if he in accessing the HTTP website once you are gain access over his network. So you can just take a look at all of the it says Wireshark download. You can just install it for 64-bit installer, and you can just download it in your local system. So for now, let's head over to Kali Linux and take a look in the software. So I will just double click on WLAN 0. So WLAN 0 has a lot of lot of data is being gathered. This is the time, this is the source. So there are few systems connected to my network, and I am running ChatGPT on my laptop, which is directly connected to the Wi-Fi. So here we have the frames, we have the Ethernet, we have the addresses, resolution protocol, we have all the bit of bytes, and we have all the data here. And there are few commands on how you do use this. So I have written down few commands and you can take a look and here. So it says type TCP in the filter broad, which is the transmission protocol. You can even start it off Wireshark like this, sudo Wireshark, or just Wireshark. So it will start up the interface, it will start up this software. For now, let's take a look at all the commands. It says TCP and you hit enter. So you will get the transmission control protocol right here. And if you type ARP and hit enter, it gives out all of the ARP protocol details, the broadcast, the local IP address and the binary bit rate. So you can take a look at the commands. If you take FTP, it will give out a set of data. Okay, there's nothing running now. If you type HTTP, it will give the access to all the HTTP5 websites accessed by the victim. And if you type TLS, it gives the HTTPS. Okay, let me try TLS. Okay, there's nothing for now. Okay, let me just restart. Okay, there are a few commands like here which are displayed, and there is a lot of data, and these are the top tools. You have file, you have edit, you have view with full screen mode, packet list, packet details, packet bytes, filter toolbar, wireless toolbar, main toolbar and other stuff like. time display format, name resolution, zoom on seconds, 10 seconds of a second, millisecond, hundreds of second, nanoseconds and stuff. So it has colorized conversation and stuff, and you can just hit on the capture to start the capture and stop the capture from double and zero, and you can hit on restart. This is the restart button, the green. I can analyze. So this is the restart button. Yeah, you can just go on the next one. If you press the arrow mark, you can go to the lost and the first pocket. This is the packet which is being displayed in Wireshark. So you can hit on these arrow marks, and you can even zoom in. You can even zoom out. Zoom out. You can automatically start capturing live scroll to last packet during a live capture. So yeah, and this is how you can read the data right here, and you have the raw binary extreme printable text hex dump, and you can just hit on stop to capture the pockets and head over to hit on continue saving. You can just start Wireshark again with the settings column. It says double and zero, and the address you can take a look at it. So in this next session, take a look at the different topic and take a look at the different topic and this video in detail about the capture filters and stuff. So I will hit close for now, and I will see the next video. Thank you.